Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. What? Okay, so in today's video, it's gonna be a little bit different, as you could see by the title. Not going to the parks, not doing any dining, not giving you any kind of review whatsoever. I decided to jump head at first into a collaboration with 5 other girls on YouTube, and they all have Disney YouTube channels, and I'm gonna start naming them off. Okay, so we've got Roxanna at Life with Roxanna, Kimberly at Princess Kimberly, Casey at Mainstreet ASA, Ashley at Darling Disney Divas, and Christy at Christys Corner. All of these girls are awesome. I'm going to link all of the channels below so you can check out all of their boxes as well. We're all releasing our boxes on the same day. Yay! So anyways, we all kind of like did a draw names sort of thing, and we all got a different person, and we collected things for a mystery box, all Disney related type stuff. Stay tuned to the end of this video to kind of watch me source a little bit for my box. And for my box, I got Ashley at Darling Disney Divas, so make sure you check out her channel to see how I did curating a box for her. And Mainstreet ASA, Casey, got me, and I'm about to dig into the box that she got me. I haven't even peeked at it yet. I'm so excited. I had a little bit of a faux pas with the mail because we moved, as most of you know. We moved to a new apartment. Something happened with our mailbox. They had a letter in there that said it was vacant. What? I've been getting packages and mail, so I have no idea where that letter came from. So got it all cleared up, thank God, and I got my package. What? Okay, so yeah, so now I'm going to dig in and see what Casey got me. I'm super excited. And I have to say, I'm not going to show the front because addresses and such, but this came all the way from California, so this package has been cross country. Pretty exciting, because I'm in Florida and she's in California. So she does all of the Disneyland stuff, which I think is pretty awesome. I have yet to go to Disneyland. It is on my bucket list. Hopefully for this year I'm gonna get to go. I don't know for sure. It's kind of a money thing. Getting cross country is kind of expensive. All right, so I'm trying to get into this box. I probably should have at least opened the box before I started jibber jabbering, but you guys know me, I like to talk. Woo.
One eternity later.
So right off the bat, I'm already seeing something really awesome, super cool. All right, let's see. What? It also says like fragile on the outside of the box, so I'm hoping that nothing's broken. I doubt it's broken. What? It's a Flounder bag. Look at this, guys. And it's got goodies in it. I'm so excited. Like, what? And I see an Ursula pin. I see little mermaid socks. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. I freaking love the Little Mermaid. Like, it's not even funny how much I love the Little Mermaid. Ooh, because I need one of these. I always need notepads. Like, my life is notepads, literally. Look at these cute mermaid socks. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that. I think these are from Loungefly. Maybe Box Lunch Store or Loungefly. Either way, I don't care. They're cute. Love them. I just love those colors too. And so, my favorite Disney villain. If you didn't watch my Disney Q&A, I talk all about this on my Disney Q&A one, but it is Ursula. I love Ursula. Like, I honestly I only have one Ursula pen up there on my board. You can't really see it because it's up shot, but this is going right up on my pen board. So excited. Thank you. I love it. And I really love this Flounder bag. It is so stinking cute. Look at that, guys. It's so cute. Okay, there's more. But wait, there's more. This box is really heavy too. All right. Don't mind me. Just digging in a box blindly. Ooh. There was a card. I probably should have read the card first. It was all the way at the bottom of the bag. Sorry, I'll read the card soon. Alright, this definitely feels like a Disney mug. Somebody definitely shops Disney parks. What? Let's see. So excited. I love me some Disney mugs. I should show you guys my Disney mug collection soon. What? Alright. Somebody knows I have a caffeine addiction. Okay, well, what adult doesn't? But I don't want to. Hang on. Let me move this box over. Okay. Well, look at this mug, guys. I run on Disney and caffeine. Heck yes, I do. Oh, and look at the back. We have got the Mickey donut. Oh my goodness. Okay. I love this. This is so stinking cute. Yes. Thank you. Okay. I think there's one more thing in here and it feels food related. Yes! I love me some Disney snacks. Love me some Disney snacks. Oh, and she gave me a guide on that. Like, what? I'm so excited. So excited. Okay. What? Dark chocolate covered Mickey pretzels. I love chocolate covered pretzels. And the fact that these are chocolate covered Mickey pretzels, that just tops it. I'm gonna eat this entire bag later. Let's be honest. I'll have this done in like not even an hour. Yum. All right. I'm gonna read my card. Let's see. It says, "Hi Dacia, I hope you love your goodies as much as I enjoyed shopping for you. Hope this box adds a little magic to your day. Casey from Mainstreet ASA." What? Yes, I love this box. Thank you, Casey, so much. Like, I can tell that you really put a lot of thought into this. And you are a connoisseur of Disney parks merch, which is amazing. Yeah, this box was so awesome. And the fact that you threw in a Disneyland map, like, what? Like, I am dying to go to Disneyland. I mean, I go to Walt Disney World all the stinking time, but to get to go to Disneyland would be amazing. Amazing. This is so awesome. So awesome. So excited. Hopefully this year I will make this a reality. What? Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And like I said, guys, there are 5 other girls that are participating, 5 other channels, I should say, that are participating in this box swap. So please make sure you guys check out each and every one of them. I'm going to flash their names across the screen as I talk. I'm gonna like drill it into your head. Click on each one of their channels listed in the comments, or not in the comments, in the description below, so you can see their swap boxes, what they got in their boxes, and let me know how you thought I did on my swap box in the comments below, or you can comment over on Ashley's video, Disney. I keep wanting to say it's Disney Darling Divas, but it's Darling Disney Divas. So anyways, like I said, go check out their channels, go check out their videos, and I'm gonna try a new sign off, and I'm gonna see how it works, see if I like it, see if I like how it flows off my tongue, because I'm not really sure. But my new sign off is gonna be that if you guys enjoyed this video and the service that I provided you in this video, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you're new here, I'm Nacia from Lost Girl in Tomorrowland. I do videos hopefully twice a week, I'm trying to get around to 3 times a week. It's not always in the cards for me, but hopefully at least 2 times a week. I cover Disney dining, Disney parks. I'm starting to do Disney crafts. And then also the Orlando area is a new thing I'm trying to branch out to. Also the Orlando area, trying to branch out and check out all of the other attractions we have in Orlando, because Orlando is a huge city and we have so much stuff to check out here. So anyways, like I said, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about my box. Let me know what you thought about the box that I got Ashley. And until next time, guys, I will see you later.